Hello and welcome back. This time, we're talking about NextCloud. NextCloud is a collaborative, cloud-based storage platform, like Google Drive or SharePoint, that we offer you to freely store your documents and data within to help you stay organized. So go ahead and click on the NextCloud link on the dashboard, and it should bring you to the All Files section of the application. As a traditional file storage platform, you can create folders, upload files into those folders, and then filter all of the files you've organized into those folders further with individualized tags. Sharing each of these documents or folders with other i14y Lab NextCloud users is easy as well. By going to the details section of either a single document or a folder, you can share this file or set of files with those on your team. Type in their email in the search box or send them the link that you can copy right here. You can also keep track of all activity within the database under the Activity tab to know if any of them did end up editing your document. There is also a dedicated tab for videos and photos if you need, for example, to document your testing process in detail. But happy group photos are also always welcome. Within NextCloud, you also have access to a directory of engineers and other lab members that you can reach out to with questions, comments, or concerns. This directory includes everyone within the i14y Lab network who has also signed into their NextCloud account. To access this list of people, you can find that in the upper right-hand corner after clicking the people icon. Ooh, fun fact. i14y Lab File Share also gives you access to your files wherever you are with downloadable mobile apps. So you can keep on working, even when you're out to dinner with the family. Now, just as a heads up, the current storage limit is set to 30 gigabytes, so as long as you're not uploading 2 hours of HD video documenting you plugging things into other things, you should have more than enough space to work with. But that's basically it. NextCloud is very user intuitive and a great place to keep your files organized while testing here at the lab. But if you happen to have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to any of us here. We'd be happy to help you with anything we can. But with that being said, enjoy your time here at the lab, and I'll see you over in the next video.